Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So here in this video, there is an amazing news for all of you that TCS has again started hiring for the year of passing out 2020 and 2021 batch. Well, this is a phase 2 hiring for 20 and 21 batch students. What I can see nowadays that too much hiring is going on for 20 and 21 batch. So most probably, I don't think that there will be any student from these batches who will be still unplaced, right? So do take advantage of these opportunities. Make sure to apply. Do share the video among your friends as well. Do let them know about these opportunities as well. Well, before proceeding further, it's a request to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, and be a part of our Telegram channel as well. Also, guys, make sure to watch the complete video so that there is no confusion in your mind regarding the hiring process. It's going to be a short video only, right? So it's a great opportunity to come knocking twice for great talent. So talking about the registration and date, so that is 15th of November 2021. Make sure to apply before the end date. Test schedule will be announced soon. Coming to the interview date, so that will be announced post test results. Now registration is open. This is about phase 2 TCS off campus hiring for year of passing 20 and 21. Well, this is free of cost opportunity. No money is going to be charged for this. This is free of cost totally. So we received an overwhelming response from all of you during the TCS off campus drive September 2021 to harness the abundance of talent and ensure no great potential misses out on the opportunity to build a great future with us. We present you to phase 2 of TCS off campus hiring for engineering graduates from the year of passing 2020 and 2021. More great news, candidate who perform exceptionally in this TCS off-campus hiring stand a chance to become eligible for advanced offer opportunity of TCS digital. So again, that is also amazing news that if you are doing great in this particular opportunity, in this hiring opportunity, you will be eligible for advanced offer, that is TCS digital. Coming to the eligible stream, so that is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc from the year of passing 20 and 21. For more details, we'll be referring to the eligibility criteria section. Notice given that phase 2 of the TCS off-campus test is scheduled to commence soon and will be conducted in batches to invite immediate joiners. Successful registered candidate will receive their test detail on their registered email ID from TCS Ion. Coming to the application process, so first of all, you have to log on to the TCS Next Step portal. The link is provided here. You have to do the registration and apply for the TCS off-campus hiring process. So there can be two possible scenarios, that if you're already a registered user, then you have to simply log in and proceed to complete the application form. Upon submission, you have to click on apply for drive. Another scenario possible is that if you're a new user, so you have to click on register now, choose IT category. Make sure that you are choosing correct category. Instead, please don't go for BPO. So it is going to be IT only, and you have to proceed to fill your details, submit your application form, and click on apply for drive. To confirm your status, you can check that your status will be updated to track your application, and the status should reflect as applied for drive. So this should be your status after applying. Coming to the test pattern, so TCS Ion NQT is a test provider for TCS off-campus hiring process. So there will be numerical ability for 40 minutes, verbal ability for 30 minutes, reasoning ability for 50 minutes. Overall, that will be of 120 minutes. So this is about cognitive. Coming to the programming part, so there will be programming logic, 15 minutes. Okay, guys. So they have reduced some part in programming. Only one program, I guess there should be, and it will be of 15 minutes only, or it will be programming logic questions. So you can say total 15 minutes will be allotted to you. So total test duration is going to be 135 minutes, where part A is this and part B. I guess they have reduced some part from part B, right? You can see in programming, they have only this programming logic part for which 15 minutes will be allotted to you. So now let's talk about the test eligibility. So in test eligibility, let's see what do we have. So percentage minimum aggregate you need is 60% or 6 GPA in class of 10th, 12th, diploma, graduation and post-graduation, highest qualification. So students should have completed their education in the stipulated course duration. Backlog, so students should not have any pending backlogs. It is mandatory to declare gaps in education. Overall academic gap should not be exceeded 24 months. So only 2 years is allowed. A course type, only full-time courses will be considered. Part-time correspondences courses will not be considered. Students who have completed their secondary or senior secondary course from NIOS are also eligible to apply if the other courses are full-time. Work experience, so students with prior work experience of up to 2 years are eligible. So if you are having work experience even, then also you can apply too for the TCS of campus hiring process. The age is mentioned that students should be of 18 to 28 years of age to participate in the TCS of campus hiring process. Coming to the courses and disciplines, so BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc from any specialization offered by a recognized university college are eligible. Now here are some frequent asked questions as will provided. In many times what happens is there are like common questions that are running out in your mind. So please do refer to these questions. They'll be very helpful for you, and most probably whatever doubts will be there in your mind will be answered in these questions only. Now there is some important notes as well provided that you must have all your original academic documents readily available, that is mark sheet and degree certificate. Communication related to the test will be shared with you by TCS IMN. Test mode will be remote only. It is going to be remote only. They have clearly specified. TCS does not send job offers, any hiring related communication from unofficial email IDs like Gmail, Rediff Mail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, etc. TCS does not ask candidates to deposit any money for job offers. TCS is not associated with any external agency company to conduct any interview or make offers of employment on its behalf. Now help desk, so for any assistance please reach out to our tag help desk team, that is email ID as well as toll free helpline number provided too. Well, this is an amazing opportunity guys. Make sure to apply. In case of any doubt, feel free to reach out in the comment section, and do share the video among your friends as well so that even they can know about this opportunity, right? So thank you so much for watching this video guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Don't forget to share and subscribe this channel and be a part of our Telegram channel as well. So thank you everyone.